Some people call me the space cowboy. Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do the Joker by Steve Miller Band. It was a big one for him. Want to mention that I tuned down to I tuned down a whole step, so we're in a drop D. So it sounds like D, G. What is this? D, C, and then the G goes down to F. The A goes down. The B goes down to A, and the high E goes down to D. So it sounds like this. And that's down a whole step. The reason is to play it the way I'm playing it here, make it easy for you. You can still play along with the record. It'll be in the right key. So it's basically two parts. There's there's kind of the intro part, is like a. Which is also the verse. And you can do that a couple different ways, but if you want to play that line, you can. You're the sweetest thing that I ever did see. That goes along with the you're the sweetest thing that I ever did see. So it depends, it's not kind of hard to sing over that, so you can just play the chords. G, C to D, C, G, C, D, oh, G, love it, C, love it, D, all the time, back to C, ooh, E, G, C, D, good time, okay, and then it goes to the chorus, I'm a G, C, I'm a G, C, up to D. C, G, smoker, C, joker, G, C, G, stay on the D. That is the Joker, my friends. So what you want to know is that the intro and the verse changes go at the same pace and the same feel. And again, you can do this lick, which I'm about to show you. So it goes. So I'm starting with the low G note on the E string, which was 3rd fret. And then walk up on the A string. Okay, that's the first part. And then you spell out a C chord. So it's basically a 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, and then fall into your D chord, which is the open D string, right? And then you come up, walk up to that C note again. Repeat the whole thing. So back to that C lick, walking up, open 2, 3, 3, 2, open, back to your G note. So that's. So here it is in super slow motion. That's how I'm incorporating the chords. yeah, baby, gonna shake your tree. Okay, so that's the verse feel. Love it, love it, love it, love it all the time. Ooh, baby, show you a good time. Chorus, G, I'm a joker. And then C, I'm a smoker. G, C, G, my not joker. C, back to G. I get my C, loving on the run. D, back to C. Same thing over again. I'm a winner. C, G, lover. I'm a sinner. C, G, sure don't want to see it. Now on this D, I do it as sus. The way you do that is you got a D chord, and hit your pinky on the 3rd fret of the E, the high E string. It. So you can play along in this tuning. You can go ahead and play along with the record and sing to your heart's content. It's a great jam song. And then of course there's the all-important, and I'm just doing that by sliding on the E string, E starting where we want, and just slide all the way up. So I can really love your peaches, wanna shake your tree. That's up to you if you want to do that or not. You could also do it on a slide, I suppose, if you had one handy. But that's an option. And so now you got the intro and verse feel, which is what I just showed you, and with a little lick. Now, what you might want to take note of is you might notice I'm muting with my right hand with the palm. That is not any easy feat, by the way, playing that like that. But it's, if you do get it where you get that slap. Get a little noisy with it, let it ring out. It's okay, it's a raucous kind of song. So if you can get that rhythm. Gonna make it swing harder, if you can get that rhythm. Don't be shy with that rhythm. Get that mute going. It's very effective to mute those bass strings. And then open up on the chorus. I'm a lover, I'm a sinner. Play my music on. I'm a midnight joker, sure don't wanna hurt no one. There's that D sus. Steve Miller Band, great song, The Joker. Great party song, great sing along with your friends. We'll see you down the road.